Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's rear bumper. Step 3. Begin removing the factory crossmember by removing the 6 bolts retaining it to the frame rail brackets. Remove the crossmember and clean the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a primer to help prevent against further rust development. We also recommend you coat the part with a primer prior to installing to help fully protect the crossmember brackets. Step 4. Slide the part in between the crossmember brackets and align it with the factory bolt holes. Loosely install the 4 M14 80mm and 2 M12 bolts into the brackets and crossmember. Once the crossmember is aligned, tighten all the bolts with the 4 M14 and 2 M12 nuts with a 21mm and 22mm socket. If you chose not to earlier, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall the rear bumper, and you're done.